Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up, we have someone here with some fans. Now, I wonder if you wanted to replicate this, if you can buy like a whole set off of like Amazon. It looks like she's making a ceiling light with this technique. Oh, she actually made two. Wow. This is very impressive. It definitely feels like you're at like a high-end resort or beach resort. Wow. Very nice. That came out absolutely amazing. So then we move into DIY number 2. Looks like we're gonna have the wooden beads here for this one. So she's trying to upcycle this lamp, giving it more of like that bohemian style with the wooden beads. Now I've seen like plenty of ceiling lighting with this technique, but never like an actual lamp. So this is pretty cool. Wow, that came out great. Nice little weekend project to try out. And then we have someone making a table. So this is part 2. Pretty impressive. And then we have someone doing an island design here. Okay, I'm so glad that they painted this because this looks amazing painted. I was just thinking to myself like, well, you know, I liked the before, but I think the interest of the wood there on the side did add a little something to the island. And then we have someone playing around with some rug art. So have you guys seen this? You're basically using a rug on a canvas and creating your own like artwork design. I think this is a pretty cool concept. Definitely something different. So she's using a staple gun to attach the rug. Wow. This is actually a pretty easy project too, and it really elevated the space. Very nice. Oh, we got someone doing the Wavy Mirror trend. So they're gonna do like blue. This kind of reminds me of like waves and water. I kind of like the ombre effect she does with this too, with the coloring. Oh, that was the painter's tape. I thought she did 2 different colors. That's funny. Oh, she put words at the bottom. That's cute. You are made of magic. Very nice. All right, so we have someone doing the tile decor trend. Looks like they're making coasters or table trays. I'm gonna go with the table tray because that's kind of big to be a coaster. I like the color scheme, yellow and blue. Yellow and white. Oh yeah, she did kind of use it for a coaster if you think about it. Alright, so we got a furniture flip here. Now this thing looks worn out. So she's adding paint. New legs. Oh, and handles. Wow, it looks like it's brand new. Very nice. I wonder why she didn't add any at the bottom. Maybe she ran out. Ooh, look at these tables. Okay, this is a really cool design. Now the thing with this particular DIY is you would definitely have to make it yourself, because I've never seen a table with like this wavy leg before, like this wavy leg option. But I think it's a really cool idea. And for some reason, when it comes to decor, we're really into waves right now. We're seeing wavy shelves. Wavy mirrors. Oh, I love how this turned out. So cute. And she did 2 different sizes here. Very nice. So we have an Ikea hack for the next one. Oh, she's making a table. Very nice modern table. And here we go again with the wavy design. Oh, looks like she's making a table tray to go along with this. At first I thought she was gonna do like 2 small tables, and I was like, no, that might be a table tray. Wow. And the steps are finished. I love the vibe of her home. This is so cool. Wow. Oh, it's like a little piece of the table. Wow. Oh, this looks so high end. And she didn't even do anything to the legs. She just glued the bowls together and left it like with the wood color. Wow, this is remarkable. Very nice. I actually loved how short it was too. Like it looked so nice and like cozy. Alright, so we got a big thing of rope hair and some dye. Oh, she's dyeing the rope. She showed like everything in this video. Her buying the bucket, everything. Ooh, I really like the color of the blue now that it's dry. Look at that side table too. That is really cool. Oh, she's hanging it up as artwork. Wow. I love her space. It is so modern and different. Very cool decor idea. And then we have another tile desk DIY. Looks like she's going with like a pastel pink color. So pretty. I just love the tile trend. It's such a fun look. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.